Hey everyone, Gil at Camp Patton Family Compound. Well, I'm up in here what used to be the pig pen for Brandon when he owned the property. And, well, let me get right behind the camera and show you what I'm talking about when I'm up here. Alright, so with all the cottonwood trees here, we get a lot of leaves that blow down here. And so I got a lot, I've already started hauling stuff out before I remembered to record it, but all these leaves are going to go down into the new compost pile. Well, there's not just these leaves here. See if I can get the camera to work in here. There's this pile of straw to go down there as well. So that's what I'm going to be working on, is loading up and hauling the stuff out of here. And we're going to see how long it takes to get this place cleaned up. right, let's go take a look at what I added to the compost pile now. Here's all the leaves I've added out here, and I get start getting some of the straw out and toss it on top of it. And once I have the straw on it, then I got to mow the front lawn and the back lawn and pile all the grass clippings on top of everything to help keep it down and in place. Alrighty, so I'm going to take a short water break and then I'll be back at it in a little bit. Alright, I forgot to turn the camera on, but I've taken out about 6 wheelbarrows full of straw out of here. So this whole area here was mounded up, and most of that back over there was mounded up. So I probably got 2, maybe 3 more wheelbarrows in here to clean this out and add it to the compost pile. So right now the wind is picking up really bad, and it's just blowing it everywhere off the wheelbarrows. I take it down there, so I'm going to wait for the wind to calm down and then I'll finish this up. But let's go out and take a look at the compost pile now. Okay, so this is the compost pile now, and what I did was, when I had all the leaves out here, we started to get a breeze yesterday, I took the garden hose and wet it all down. And I'd already brought out 2 wheelbarrows full of straw then. And so I wet it all down. Then I mowed the lawn and I dumped all the lawn clippings out here on it, all around over here, over the entire thing. And then I brought out another 4-5 wheelbarrows full of straw this morning, dumped on here. So now I just got to, you can see the wind blowing it, blowing at it a little bit here. So I'm going to take the garden hose and wet it down so that the surface stuff is heavier and stays down, keeps from blowing away. But yeah. Anyway, slowly, this is going to decompose really great by next spring. So, and then of course I got the big, the pile I scooped up last summer and piled up there, and actually that was over here, and I turned it with the Coyote tractor, just kind of pushed up, turned it, and kept adding water to it so it stayed moist in there. And the worms are having a good field day in there, but I need to get this going here so I have more stuff for next spring. Alrighty, so remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicines, skills, and work on your garden. I'm making a compost pile for next year. Alrighty, take care.